Thank you for considering the Car Factory today. To get more information on this vehicle, please visit our website carfactorymt.com. We have one of the most advanced websites in Montana. Get free vehicle history reports on any vehicle we sell, 360-degree views, and videos. All at your fingertips 24 hours a day. We are family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. Check out our Google reviews to see why people love doing business with us. We have transparent pricing and no pressure. Stop by today. 4562 State Avenue, Billings, Montana.